Hello students, welcome to the part 3 of our MySQL chapter 4 SEBA class 10 students. So let's begin. In this chapter we are going to see the SQL commands. Here it is basic commands: select version, check MySQL version, show database, view existing database. So select, if you do this command, select version, it will give you the MySQL version that you are using. Show databases, it is used to view the existing databases. Say for example you are having school database or a teacher database, then you just need to do show database, show student, show teacher, so these kind of things. So these are basic commands. Now here is a command for creating a database. To create a new database in MySQL, the query is, this is the syntax. You initially use create database. Database is also standard. If not exist, database name. Say this is one example, create database school. When you write this command, it will create a database of whose name is school. Okay, so this is very simple. Selecting a database for work. To select a database you want to work with, the query syntax is this one: use database name. Now you created a database here, school database. Now you want to use this school database, then the command is use school. Okay, removing a database. Removing the database means to delete the database physically. The entire data and all related objects inside the database are deleted permanently, and this cannot be undone. Therefore you must delete a database with due care. So if you want to remove a database from your database, then the command is drop database name. So you created a database earlier, right, school, using create database. Now you wanted to drop this school database, then the command for this would be drop database school. Okay, then moving on to the next, we have MySQL data types, data type categories. So data types are determined by two things. One is the number of bytes for storage, and then the kind of value it represents. So data type, what is the type of data that database is holding? Okay, now it is determined by two things. One is the number of bytes used for storage, and the kind of value it represents. So if you see here, we have or the MySQL is categorized into three parts. One is string data type, another is numeric data type, another is date and time data types. So why it is string data type? String data type is because all these are of type string. Okay, now if you see here, char, varchar or text, so all these data types holds the string kind of values, and these bytes are given here. So text will hold little like longer values and all. Okay, and here it is like these are few numbers you can also go through, and you might need to remember a few for your exams perspective. Okay, small int you have, float you have, double you have. So all this holds the decimal kind of data. So these are categorized under the numeric data type, and these are the bytes that it's hold. Date and time data type, you have date, time, here is the date format, and then you have the time format, time, and then the year. Okay, so all these things comes under the date and time data types. So that is all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and let us move on to our next part. Thank you.